Hi student, good evening. Today I am going to open the chapter of class 10 for the chapter 4, and what we have learned, what we have seen earlier about the polynomial and linear equation. What is linear equation that we have studied? Means if the degree of a variable is 1, then that polynomial will have the linear equation. Second thing, degree. What is degree? Degree means highest power of the variable, that is degree. Today we are just going to learn, we have the chapter 4 about the quadratic equation. What is quadratic? Quadratic means degree of the variable. Degree of the variable will be 2. That means if a polynomial has the variable and its degree is 2, then it's called the quadratic equation, right? Like this, see, it is written types x square plus 1 equal to 0, that is quadratic equation. 2x square plus x equal to 0 and 2x square plus x plus 3 equal to 0. In all these equations, the variable is having the degree 2, means x का जो डिग्री है वो 2 है. सो these all quadratic equation. In short, we can write, means in short standard form we can write the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This form में लिखना है. You have to write in this form, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant. What we seen in the earlier in the linear equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, ax plus b equal to 0, here b equal to constant. Now see here, standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is written, and a equal to coefficient of x square, b equal to coefficient of x and c is equal to constant, and it is also written highest power, that is called degree of a variable. Here it is equal to 2, so it is a quadratic equation. Now we will go through the exercise 4.1. They have asked, check whether these equations are quadratic or not. Suppose example is given, x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. Here you have to solve the left hand side and right hand side of the equation. So after solving, you see x plus 1 whole square equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 and equal to 2x minus 6, or x square plus 1 plus 6 equal to 0, or x square plus 7 equal to 0. That means a equal to 1 into x square, 0 into x term, there is no x term, we are not getting any x term here. x square plus 7 equal to 0. That means 1 into x square plus 0 into x plus 7 equal to 0. So standard form of this quadratic equation, where 1 equal to a, where a equal to 1, where b equal to 0, c equal to 7. It is just written just bottom of the number. See, 1 का नीचे a, 0 का नीचे b, 7 का नीचे c, यानी कि a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 7. So we are getting the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and x का जो डिग्री है यहाँ पे 2 है, so it is a quadratic. Now come to 7. 1 के अंदर में 7 में जो है x plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. After solving this, we are getting minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. We are making it in the form of ax square plus bx. So we are getting minus 1 into x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 equal to 0. You no need to write the last line, but for your understanding point of view, I have written. You need not to write, because you are getting here 3 is the degree of x, so it is not a quadratic. Now come to 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x cube minus 3x square. X cube minus 3x square into 2. Okay, it is given in the book. See here, see the book 1-8. Here 1-8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole cube. You just solve the right hand side and left hand side of the equation. Right hand side of the equation is x minus 2 whole cube. Left hand side you write as it is. Okay. Come to right hand side, x minus 2 whole cube, that I have written here. Just wait. Here. X cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3x into 2 square minus 2 cube. So after the evaluation, after the solving of the problem, we are getting 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. So the degree of x is 2. So it is a quadratic. See, so it is a quadratic equation. Now there is a problem given, verbal problem. You have to make the quadratic equation, not solving, just have to make the quadratic equation. See here, question number 2. represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. 1. The area of a rectangular plot is 5 to 8 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So you have to make the quadratic equation only. Okay, we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So for this problem, how can you make the quadratic equation? For this problem, you come to solution. See here, question 2a, let breadth equal to x. So length will be twice of x plus 1, यानी कि ब्रेथ का 2 गुना से 1 ज़्यादा, 2x. So length is 2x plus 1. We need to find out now the area of the rectangle. If breadth is x, length is 2x plus 1, so area should be x into whole 2x plus 1. And by the condition given in the book, that is 528. So 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Second one is that consecutive two positive integers. Now you have to take one is x and next one is x plus 1. So product of that x into x plus 1 equal to 306. After changing the side of 306 to the left side, you will get x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. It is very easy. Now come to third problem. There it is given Rohan's percentage and also given Rohan's mother percentage. That Rohan's mother percentage is 26 years more than Rohan's percentage. Here you have to suppose that let Rohan's percentage equal to x, so his mother's percentage will be x plus 26. So his mother's percentage is equal to x plus 26, and they have told product of the ages after 3 years from now. Rohan's will be x plus 3. 3 साल के बाद 3 years के बाद क्या होगा, ज़्यादा ही होगा ना एज. सो अगर प्रेजेंट अभी है, प्रेजेंट एज एक्स है, तो 3 years के बाद कितना हो जाएगा, एक्स प्लस 3. ऐसे रोहन्स एज हो जाएगा एक्स प्लस 3 और रोहन्स मदर्स एज हो जाएगा एक्स प्लस 26 प्लस 3. सो व्हाट विल बी द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर एज आफ्टर 3 years? दैट विल बी एक्स प्लस 3 होल इंटू एक्स प्लस 29. And by the condition it is given in the book, it is 360. So it will be, we will be making the equation left hand side and right hand side, that is x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. After calculation we will be getting x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. दिस इज़ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में लिख दिया कि आफ्टर 3 years मीन्स बाद में. एज 3 साल के बाद बढ़ेगा, ज़्यादा होगा। रोहन विल विथ x plus 3 and his mother will be x plus 26 plus 3 years. Okay, now brothers and sisters, you will do question number 4 by yourself as a class work or homework. Now you yourself do it. Thank you दोस्त।